project has been working with this landowner for 4 or 5 years now, and in 2021 they gave wildflower seeds that was harvested on Exmoor through the project, and this has helped to restore this meadow. There's lots of lovely wildflowers here. It's become really abundant, and particularly in this species, yellow rattle, which is really key for our meadow restoration because this species really kickstarts the meadow process. And we're able to now harvest these wildflower seeds so that we can then sow this elsewhere in Exmoor and help to really expand this beautiful meadow habitat.